Back to back vlogs. Oh my god, who is this Mr. Consistent? Guys, if you're watching this video, please don't get carried away. Just because I uploaded 2 days in a row doesn't mean I'll be regular going forward. But for now, enjoy this video. Today, the plan is pretty simple and straightforward. We're gonna go to the gym, train, push, and then go out with the boys. And if you're wondering why am I so hyper right now, it's because I'm training chest and arms. How could I not be hyper? Chest and arms together is literally the best rotation possible. First up, we got the barbell bench press. I have reintroduced barbell bench after 2 whole years. So I'm excited to see how this moves. We have 85 on the bar, so let's see. Barbell bench 85 for 6. That's not bad at all. I'm not very confident with my technique just yet, so I'll take it. I think in 2 months from now, I should be benching 100 kgs for reps again. Bobbies, look who pulled up. Bengaluru Trend Twins are here.
Trend Twins.
BTT, bro. You guys are BTT. Bengaluru Trend Twins.
You should replace trend with something else, bro. We don't take trend.
I am done with my workout, boys. What a beautiful session I had. Chest and arms. It's now time to go home and get my post-workout meal. After which, we might go out as well. I won't eat out. The boys will eat out. I'll just go for the vibes. Boss man, I'm going home to eat, change my clothes.
Going home, why didn't you carry your clothes?
Bro, you still have like what, 15 minutes left, right?
No.
How much left?
Oh, you're going now only?
Yeah, I'm leaving now.
I have like 2 sets left, that's it.
2 sets, right? How much? 15 minutes?
Or some 30 rep sets, something.
Fine, you finish. I won't eat at home. I'll just change. I'll carry my dabba. You have your car?
I came in his scooter.
Fine, we'll go in my car.
Traffic?
Traffic and all right now is less only, see? See, empty. How long do we plan on staying in Indiranagar?
That you have to ask him. I am done studying for the day, so.
Oh, Kavin full studying, boss. He's leaving for Delhi tomorrow.
I have exam in 2 days, please pray for me.
Please pray for him. He has the hardest aviation exam.
It's the oral exam, guys, that radio called.
ATC exam.
Yeah.
So he's full on studying, bobbies. He wakes up early in the morning, studies, then comes to gym and fucks around with us. Smart guy. Bro, I came home, changed my clothes, ate my post-workout meal, packed my next 2 meals, and the boys are still not here. What Kavin was saying, bro, they'll get ready in 2 minutes. But yeah, on a side note, I'm wearing shorts. Guys, I cannot wear jeans in Bangalore anymore. There's a terrible heat wave and looks like I'll have to purchase some summer clothes. Twins are here. What, bro? 5 minutes I'll be home, you said?
Home?
Yeah, you said 5 minutes you'll come.
It took me long to get ready. What do you want me to do? I told him like 5 times.
So you're taking pictures, asking. He was also taking.
Pictures.
I took more pictures for you.
I
Don't lie.
finished,
Don't
I
lie.
finished my
Don't lie.
pictures before I called you.
Bro, hectic traffic, bro. Kavan and I saw that the roads were empty. Nishok delayed us by 30 minutes. And now the roads are packed.
I only. Sorry, my bad, guys. My bad.
Bobbies, we have reached Smash Guys Indiranagar and Top G Hari is waiting for us. Do you think he got us a table?
He said it's empty.
Say hi to Top G Bobbies. After a long time, he's back on the vlog.
Very long time, bro.
Yeah, how's it going?
Because I did not see more than a very long time.
What, on 3 days you didn't see me?
He was dead practically. No vlog means more than dead.
That's correct.
That's not true, guys. I was alive, thriving. I was just dieting. So we out here at Smash Guys. The twins have ordered 2 lamb burgers. So yeah, it's just them eating. Hari and I are gonna be watching them. We're here just for the vibe.
We locked in.
Yeah, we're both locked in. Today I'm not eating, so Nishok is gonna give us a food review.
I'll enjoy it for you, bro.
Enjoy it for me, bro. As per him, this is the best burger in Bangalore. Yes. But as per Kavin and I, Gorilla is better.
Yeah, but like very close second, bro.
Yeah.
Very close.
Holy shit.
Holy shit.
How was your burger?
Bro, 9.5 on 10. Actually, 9.2 only because of the experience, bro.
Experience because guys, he couldn't handle the AC temperature.
I just don't like it, and AC is just directly just under me when I'm eating food.
AC under him, guys. He's so tall, AC is under him. You mean AC over you.
Oh yeah, AC owns.
AC under me. Yeah. So tall he's no kulla. We're now going to Alishan Bobbies because Top G needs some protein.
Yeah, bro.
I am to carrying my meal. I'll eat at 7 p.m.
I don't have the luxury, bro.
What do you mean luxury? Carrying meal is a luxury now.
Yeah, bro, you need to do your own meal prep.
So how is that a luxury? You just prep beforehand. You spend an hour the night before, cook your meal and then carry it.
If I do that, I'll skip gym, bro, because I go to gym at 9 o'clock in the night.
Sounds like a personal problem, bro. Hey, twins, your favorite Berliner is here.
I was just telling him about it only.
You'll get it.
Bro, it's just too expensive, bro.
Oh, cost has become a problem now.
It was always a problem. Yeah, we are willing to forego, but not willing to forego.
Not anymore, guys. We're all a little broke.
Yeah,
Because Calvin is coming up. He's put all his money for the tickets.
Yeah, and see down also, bro.
See down now. Oh, the shoes. All his money went there. Also, guys, is it just me? Or have they started to look fake in natural light?
Actually, it looks shit, bro.
Bro, it looks like first copy. In store, it looked insanely good. But like in real life, it's looking first copy.
Problem is, like many
just for the
fake
video.
products, you see this red color involved in those, bro.
It's not just the red color. It's also the fact that that white he's wearing looks like it's bleached. I think if you use it a little, it'll look better, bro. Guys, we've now come to the ATM because Nishok wants to do one robbery.
Yeah, bro. It's my hub. Hey, machine tagya.
Hey, Tagya. Hey.
Hey, spanner koda.
Spanner kodante. Alright, Bobbies, we are out here at Aladdin, and Kavin is doing the usual landing water bottles. If Kavin could make money by doing that, he'd be really rich.
I wish, bro.
It's okay, you land planes, bro. No need bottles.
That's pretty funny, dude. Shit.
Every time he does aura farming, he loses.
Really?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah. I'll edit that out of the vlog. Nishok is confident that he can land one from 3 feet away. That's taller than his height, bro.
Lie down, bro.
Lie down, bro. Lie down. We'll see if it's 5 feet.
When, bro? When did I ask, bro?
Land and show, bro. Let's see. Oh!
Suck my cock.
I'll do it right now.
Top G, how is it today?
I haven't tasted it yet, bro.
Oh, I haven't tasted. What happened? Yeah, bro. Ruined my pants.
It's all of stuff.
It's okay, bro.
Yeah, I'm not ruining anything, bro.
Why? What's wrong, bro?
These second grader shots.
Second grader shots. Bro, you have better shots than these.
Yeah. You're speaking to, you know who?
Who, bro?
Calvin Klein owner, bro.
Calvin Klein owner. You have Calvin Klein shots.
I had.
Bro, this guy has spent too much money on clothes, bro.
Vishok doesn't have money to go out, but clothes and all.
To go out, he doesn't have money. For clothes, full his dad will give. Go, bete, bhai. This is Alishan. This is also Alishan. This is Juji. Try Juji, Kavin. I've heard that Juji is also very nice. Juji. Spell it for us. G-U-G. J-U-J-I.
Gange, you know that, huh? Gange, you don't know.
No, what is that?
Bro, you know Gange? You sure? Gange. Hey, what names you guys see, bro?
Okay, boss, how is this?
I made in the road, it's too hot.
Damn it, bro. You should just put it hot in your mouth. See, Top G is eating now. When you eat it hot, the calories are lesser, bro. Because you know the calories evaporate. I'm just joking, guys. Don't take my word for this.
Thermodynamic effect, bro. Nice, dude.
Same as Alishan?
Milder Alishan with little more spice, I would say.
Milder Alishan meaning what flavor is lesser and what is higher?
The Alishan flavor is lesser and it's little more spicy. There's no other way I can.
Alishan flavor is lesser, spice is higher. Time to go home. I'm eating my dabba in the car. Taken the back seat. Kavan's driving. We'll go home, chill there for a bit, and then Kavan will leave. Because he has a flight to catch in how many hours, bro? 8 hours.
Plenty of time, bro. Yeah.
Plenty of time, yes, but he has to go say bye to his parents.
Yeah.
Because his parents sleep very early, bro. His parents sleep at what, 9
9
p.m. Bobbies, we out here in the studio. Also, guess what? I have a good news. Come here, Nishok. Crazy good news. Just 5 minutes back, we hit 20k subs.
Oh, damn. Alright, bro.
20k, bro. 20k. Well done, Kavin. Proud of you.
Do you know what I was doing? I was switching the seats to my left hand to dap him with my right hand and the fucking...
This lodde, start eating with your right hand.
I eat it.
Sorry, bro.
Nice. Nice.
Stop catching my hand, bro. You're 20k subs now. Act like it. You're still bro. Just.
20k subs, guys.
Congrats, Monokumar.
Thanks, bro. No, that you don't need. 3 seconds, that's all. 3 seconds, not 30 seconds. Hey, 20k, bro.
20k
You're welcome, guys. You're welcome.
for us also, bro. Come in.
Yeah.
For us also.
Party. We'll do party. We'll do. You come back from Delhi.
What do you want, bro? Monokumar?
What do I want?
20k subs, 20 rupees?
Ask something, bro. Give me an opportunity to ask.
Oh, that for me you will give something. Oh.
Something that you want to do or like you've been meaning to do that we can do.
Remove your pant, bro. Bobbies, we were eating watermelon to celebrate, and Kavan's been dropping it non-stop.
Oh, second one fell in the dustbin.
Nishok came to my house. He's like, bro, do you have water? I'm like, I have something better.
Melon.
Water with melons.
Your melon, bro.
Hi, melons.
Hey, what's that sound? Luna making the same noise, bro.
I'm waiting for him to drop it,
Not
bro.
happening, bro. I'm locked in.
Kavin went to destroy my toilet. Sir?
Hi, guys.
What, bro? Full battle inside?
No, bro, actually.
They don't know me, son. They don't know me. Hari, come from real account, bro.
What are we doing now, bro? Nishok?
Nothing, bro. Just checking out some physique, huh? Hey, nice physique, bro.
Hey, very nice physique,
It's
bro.
also good physique. From baddie to baddie.
Baddie Nishok looking at baddie dudes. Look at Nishok's feed, bro. It's just shirtless dudes.
Yeah, show them your feet.
My feed, huh?
yeah, show
bro,
them your feed, bro.
only food, bro. Kavan wants to do some more aura farming. He's bottle flipping onto my spice rack.
Oh, I just hold the rack and then fall. If you don't get it, I'm gonna pants, bro.
Go for it. Macha, that beaker, if that falls, that will break.
Ah, really? You should have told me no, bro.
I thought you're going for this rack, the middle rack.
Hey, not bad, bro. Just cut the video so that it looks like he's like, put it like.
Again, retake.
Bro, don't hit the beaker, huh? Please. Time to say bye to the twins. All the best for your exam. It's okay, bro. I don't think we're getting it. One last.
Don't catch my hand.
Don't do like this.
I won't do like this, okay?
Don't catch. Just
Okay. Just.
Cup, the cup sound should come. It's better.
catch it.
Okay, I'm still catching. Okay. Lovely outing with the boys, but I didn't eat outside. I have my meal prep for dinner now. I'm eating 4 meals a day, by the way, so I eat every 3 to 4 hours now. That's it for this vlog. See you guys in the next one.